Dear friends, let us solve the problems from exercise 1.3. Find each of the following product. First question is find each product of each of the following. Now here 3 multiplied 1 is 3 multiplied 1 is 3. 3 ones are 3 and positive into negative is negative. Then 25 225 into 1 is 225 and positive into negative is negative. Next is 21 21 3s are 21 2s are 42 21 3s are 63, or you can say 3 1s are 3 3 2s are 6. So you will get 6 3 0 and negative into negative is positive. You can write plus sign if you want to. Even if you don't write, it is considered as positive. Then next is negative 316 into negative 1. So negative 316 into negative 1. 316 ones are 316 because 1 is multiplicative identity and minus into minus is again plus. Even if you don't write, it is considered positive. Next is negative 15 into 0 into negative 18. Now negative 15 into 0. 0 into negative 15 is 0. 0 multiplied by any integer is 0 into negative 18. Please note, I have done this multiplication. Negative 15 into 0 is 0. 0 into negative 18 is again 0. Then next is negative 12 into negative 11 into 10. So negative 12 into 11. 11 2s are 11 2s are 22. 11 1s are 11 plus 2 is 13. So negative into negative will become positive. Positive 132 multiplied by 10, that is equal to 1320. Next is 9 multiplied by negative 3. 9 3s are 27 and positive into negative is negative multiplied by negative 6. So this is equal to 6 7s are 42, 4 carries, 6 2s are 12 plus 4 16. Negative into negative is positive, no need to give the sign. Now next is 18, negative 18 multiplied by negative 5 multiplied by negative 4. So this is equal to 18 5s are 90, negative into negative is positive multiplied by negative 4. We know that 9 4s are 36, 0 I have written as it is, and this positive into negative is negative. Next, negative 1 into negative 2. 2 ones are 2, minus into minus will become plus, multiplied by negative 3 multiplied by 4. So this is equal to 3 2s are 6, positive into negative is negative multiplied by 4. So negative 6 into 4 is equal to 6 4s are 24 and plus into minus is minus. So answer is negative 24. The next question is negative 3 into negative 6. This is negative into negative is positive. You will get 6 3s are 18. This I have solved first into negative 2 into negative 1. So this is equal to 18 2s are 36. Positive into negative is negative into negative 1. So this is equal to 36 ones are 36 and negative into negative is positive. So no need to give any sign to it. Dear friends, second question is verify the following. From exercise 1.3, second question is verify the following. 18 multiplied by 7 plus negative 3 in the bracket is equal to 18 multiplied by 7 in first bracket and 18 multiplied by negative 3 in second bracket. We have to verify whether this side is equal to that side or not. So let us consider LHS, means left hand side. Consider LHS is equal to 18 multiplied by 7 plus minus 3. Now this is equal to 18 multiplied by 7 plus minus is minus 3. So this is equal to 18 multiplied by 7 minus 3 is 4. Now 18 4s are 72 or 4 8s are 32, 3 carries, 4 1s are 4 plus 3 is 7. 72 is the answer of left hand side. Let us check what is the answer of the right hand side. So RHS is equal to 18 multiplied by 7 plus 18 multiplied by negative 3. So this is equal to 7 8s are 56, 5 carries, 7 1s are 7, plus 5 is 126, plus this is equal to 18 3s are, or 3 8s are 24, 2 carries, 3 1s are 3, plus 2 is 5, minus into plus is minus. So this is equal to 126 minus 54. So 6 minus 4 is 2 and 12 minus 5 is 7. Please note, LHS is equal to, we have got the same answer. It means LHS is equal to RH, therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Hence we can say that 18 multiplied by 7 plus minus 3 is equal to 18 multiplied by 7 plus 18 multiplied by negative 3. In exercise 1.3, second sub questions, B question is negative 21 multiplied by, in bracket, negative 4 plus negative 6 is equal to negative 21 multiplied by negative 4 in first bracket and negative 21 into negative 6 in second bracket. We have to verify whether this is equal to this. Let us check what is left hand side. So consider LHS. LHS is equal to negative 21 multiplied by negative 4 plus negative 6. So this is equal to negative 21 in first bracket multiplied by negative 4. This plus into minus becomes minus 6. Now this is equal to negative 21, negative 4 minus negative 4 and negative 6. Please understand, both the integers have same sign, so we have to add the integers and give their sign. So this is equal to multiplied by negative 10. And 21 tens are 210, and negative into negative is positive. No need to give the sign. So even if you don't give the sign, still it is considered as positive. This is 210. Let us check what is RHS. RHS is equal to first bracket. In first bracket we have 21 into negative 4, negative 21 into negative 4, and in second bracket we have negative 21 into negative 6. So this is equal to, let us do the multiplication. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, minus into minus is plus. Plus this, let us check. This is 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, minus into minus is plus. So this is equal to, no need to give the plus sign, so we have 84 plus 126. It means 6 plus 4 is 10, 1 carries, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 1 carries, again 1 plus 1 is 2. So if you are not able to do the horizontal addition, you can do the vertical addition as well. So here we have got LHS is equal to 200, RHS is equal to 200, it means LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, we can say that LHS equal to RHS. It means the given question, negative 21 into negative 4 plus negative 6 is equal to negative 21 into negative 4 plus, in second bracket we have negative 21 into negative 6.